the Ashton Boatman, and today I'm raising Elton. Elton has a habit of playing submarines. She's sort of always been a bit of a Cinderella boat. Big Ricky, built in 1937, she's our youngest boat, and we raised her a few weeks ago, but I think somebody rearranged the load that's in her, which is all stuff for recycling, changed the trim, and that caused it to go down again. So I've been struggling this morning. It's getting rather noisy over here, I'm afraid. I've been struggling this morning to get pumps to pump and to stop cutting out. So here we are, water flying out of Elton, and you can still hear me. The level inside the boat is steadily going down. If I can keep all these pumps running, then she should come up. Now we need more people to help sort Elton out. You can see she's in a little bit of a state. Somebody a few years ago did some work on making her a useful storage boat for the time being until she gets restored, but unfortunately he stopped before the work was completed, and she got a bit full of stuff while we were rebuilding Hazel because we just didn't have time to sort it out. I'm treacherously walking along the gunnels of Queen at the moment. So as you can see, there's lots and lots of stuff which most people regard as junk in there, but actually it's mostly non-ferrous metals and so on, which can be stripped down and recycled. You can see over there water coming in through some leaks in the sides. As she comes up, those leaks should come above the water line and stop, and once we start to lift her, then it will get easier for her to come up. We don't walk on the foredeck, you can see it's a little bit treacherous, and here's one of the pumps pumping away. Put that petrol cap secure, it's rattling about rather. Right, well I think that's probably it for now, because those pumps are going to require my attention again. I'm all on my Todd today, I haven't got any volunteers helping, which I don't actually mind, although some people are better with small engines than I am. When they stop, I don't really know what to do with them. I just keep trying, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. There's some museum visitors wondering what's going on. Right, so I'm going to switch this off now and say goodbye. Goodbye.